Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to deploy Claude Code project on Netlify. Start by opening your project in Claude. Make sure everything is complete and working as expected. When you are ready, move to the top right corner and click on the three dots. A menu will appear. From there, select the option to download your file. This will save your project to your computer, usually as an HTML file. Now, open a new tab and head directly to Netlify. Once you are on the dashboard, look at the top right corner and click on Add New Project. A menu will open with different options. From those options, choose the one that allows you to deploy manually. You will now see a section where you can either drag and drop your file or click on Browse to upload it. Go ahead and drag your HTML file into this area, or select it manually from your computer. Before uploading, make sure of one important detail. Your file must be named index.html. If the name is something else, Netlify may still deploy the site, but it can show a page not found error because it will not recognize the main file. Once the file is uploaded, Netlify will automatically begin the deployment process. You do not need to connect any repository or configure complex settings for this method. After a few moments, your site will be live and a link will be generated for you. You can open that link in your browser to see your project running online. Thanks for watching.